I found out stuff we're not supposed to know. Really not supposed to know. All the juicy tea, and they are juicy. Like, what I want is a mini Kelly. Compelli Mia Kelly, or 2024 is about sustainable. So I'm gonna return them because I'm about sustainability and about saving this year. Sustainability, saving. I kind of want it now. I need to enjoy the things I have. That's the other problem I have with Shopaholic is I just keep wanting getting more. I can't. I'm never satisfied. So I want that now. And then I just want to be done for a little bit. Then I'm going to be done for a little bit. And I know I said I'm going to be done, but really Shopaholic going to be done. Okay, we guys, we're going to be done for a bit. Let's do a quick Hermes unboxing. More Hermes. Okay, two things. One, I'm going to start spending less this year. I have a few videos that I have to post from last year, as you've seen, but once those are done, we're starting to spend less. We're going to be more sustainable. I got a big haul from the Real World that I'm going to unbox for you guys. Sustainable luxury, more affordable and sustainable. We're going to talk more about that kind of stuff starting 2024. This is what we're doing, affordable, sustainable. We're going to do returns. These, I think I'm going to end up returning, but we'll talk about that in a sec. But these are my first Hermes purchases post Birkin. So these are now officially part of my Kelly journey. So these are going towards my Kelly journey. So we're going to call it, I think somebody said Compelli to my Kelly, Compelli Mia Kelly, or something along the lines. I'm going to call it Compelli Mia Kelly for now. Thank you, whoever said that. I'm sorry, I don't remember. That's what we're going to start with for now. So we're going to do a quick Hermes unboxing. So this is my first things post Birkin. Whatever, these are from Hermes.com, but I got them with my essay because obviously you want to do that. And then I also got one other thing that was a gift. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shit, and a man. And today we're doing Compelli to my Kelly. Starting my Kelly journey now, 2024, starting my Kelly journey to get myself what I want is a mini Kelly. It feels like that's going to be really, really hard in the US, so I'm going to try for that in France again, my next trip, which I'm going back to go pick up some things I got from my last trip, which I still have to do. I still have to do a video from my last trip of everything I got, including, well, I didn't get, but somebody else got. This puppy. And the thing that I flew to Paris to get in the first place, that I got from Hermes.com, the bag that I flew to Paris to get because I got it from Hermes.com. So we're going to do that. We'll do some Paris stuff later, but I'm going to go back to Paris and try to get a mini Kelly there again. And I have a lot of information, and I might have to turn this into a subscription thing because this is like really juicy information. So I feel like I've got to, make it a little more exclusive to know this information. So I might do a subscription thing, which will tie into the giveaway. So stay tuned for all that. Anyway, but today we're doing a quick on Hermes.com. So if you're interested, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, so I got these with my essay, and cut. So I'm going to try to get a Kelly here in the US, a bigger size. My wish list is already for a 32 or 35, but now that I have a 35 Berkey, where are you? Berkey's over there. I might opt for a 28, 25 or 28, 32 at the most. Although I still do love my big bag, so maybe I just want a 32, and I think 32 would probably be easier to get. I did also see some on the Sotheby's auctions, and I'll talk about that in a separate video, but Sotheby's auctions out these bags too as well. And the prices aren't that crazy, but like the auction is crazy, and I can do a whole Sotheby's video as well. But I'm also looking at the pre-loved in addition to Sotheby's. Like the Real has some like box Kellys in black, which I really, really like, for like 5 to 7K for a box Kelly, which I mean might be the way to go, because I don't know how I'm going to get one at the store after just getting this, and I have to spend a lot now to get there to balance out. And on top of that, I kind of want it now. I mean, I love this, but I also want that now. And then I just want to be done for a little bit. Then I'm going to be done for a little bit. And I know I said I'm going to be done, but really Shopaholic going to be done. Okay, we guys, we're going to be done for a bit. 2024 is about sustainable discounts and what is it called? Resale, secondhand, consignment stuff, buying stuff secondhand. So we're gonna try for that, and also just shop less. We'll see how it goes. It's already January, but still January. But anyway, so this is my first purchase from the guy. So I saw these things online, and I really wanted to get them. And I also wanted to get a cologne. I actually got one cologne, and now I'm gonna go back actually tomorrow and get a few more colognes. I'm just sprinkling buying things here, right? To like build whatever. I'm not gonna go crazy and buy a lot, right? I'm just gonna buy a little bit as I normally would without going crazy like I did last time and buy a bunch of stuff just to try to get enough money to get a quota and also to get the bag. Because now that I've gotten one, I think it should be easier to get the next one. And even if I don't get the next one, I'm just going to buy and spend. I'm not going to go crazy overboard and let it just happen. And also I'm going to look into pre-loved as well for Kelly. Mini Kelly pre-loved is crazy. So mini Kelly I will wait for as long as I need to wait for to get one day. I need to enjoy the things I have. That's the other problem I have with Shopaholic is I just keep wanting getting more. I can't. I'm never satisfied. I need to enjoy the things I have. So we're going to try to take a break this year and enjoy what I already have, because I already have way too much. I'm very fortunate. I'm very lucky. I have so much stuff. I don't need to buy any more things. I really, really don't. I really, really don't. But anyway, that being said, I do love the shop. Okay, so these two I saw online and I wanted to just get both of them and compare because they're like these little pouches from Petite H that I wanted to see because they were only like $400. Still a lot for a pouch, but like if you compare it to like, you know, a Goyard pouch or like a Louis Vuitton pouch, it's a lot cheaper. But after opening them, didn't really love them. But anyway, I bought them with my essay in the store because they're online and they're really easy to get and I didn't have to wait. It's not like a bag or anything like that. So that they were there. So I just bought them with my essay in the store so that they would get the commission and I can also have the option to return them. So I got both. And then I got this, which is a kind of raincoat jacket thing for my Birkin that I wanted to get because I didn't think I was getting a raincoat, but my essay came through and gave me a raincoat, even though they don't give raincoats anymore for sustainability. So these are little pouches. They're from Petite H. So Petite H like takes all like the leftover scraps of things and leathers and cottons and things like that and makes these unique, you know, one of a kind things. So these are these 3 pouches with like these pull tabs. And I thought they were kind of cool. So like, see that you can see that they have like every piece is supposed to be unique and like they have different kind of material that they use. Like this one's cotton, this one feels more silky, and it's like, you know, they just kind of create these new things. And then this one's kind of just plain. I'm sure this is also cotton from a t-shirt or something like that, but they have these pull-string straps. And I thought I could use them as little pouches to put in my other bags to like divide things, but I actually did not really love them at all. But here I am unboxing them for you guys so you guys can see. So I'm going to return these. Yes, that's right. I'm going to return. I'm going to do it. I'm going to return these. I'm returning these. I don't need these. They are $400. There's no need for them. So I'm going to return them because I'm about sustainability and about saving this year. Sustainability, saving this year. So I got these 3 and that was for those. And then the other ones I got were the same thing, but they had like, they were $5.50 because they had buttons and they were all silk. And I asked for the red color. It's like a random what color you get, but you can choose like a colorway. I asked for the red color. I got the green colorway, which I don't really want. You know, I do love green. I don't really love these, but it's like, so this is like it's probably a scarf, right? Like scarf material, leftover scarf material, and it's got buttons instead, little H buttons, and it's a little pouch. I do like these better, but I did want the red color. So I'm going to return these and maybe see if I can get the red color. But also like these pouches are going to be really difficult to get in and out of. Like you can put stuff in here, but like this pouch to close it is like, you know, you got to do it like that and like that. So I don't know how much I want these, and then the third one is the same material as that, but it has these buttons. It's a really big pouch. And these were $5.50. Again, 3 pouches. Louis Vuitton does a pouch set. They're like tri-pouch, you know, the origami one for like, I think it's like 700. Maybe it was 700 euros. But this was $5.50. I'm gonna return this too. And then finally, this one. Oh, I got a cologne for my mom that I gave to her, and I'm gonna actually create an account for her separately so that she can get her Evelyn because she really wants to get an Evelyn. Okay, so I opened this one already and I tried it on, and I guess I got the wrong size because this does not actually fit my Birkin, unfortunately. So this is supposed to be a cover to protect the outside of the bag, and also like when you're traveling or when you maybe are like, I don't know, going somewhere where you don't want people to know, you can cover it and it just looks like a regular bag. So it's this little, it's a star, and it's like, you know, it's nice leather here, and then there's a silk, and then there's a one on the other side. And it said it's random too. Let me look at my Birkin. But I got literally the one that was on the cover. And then it's got silk on the inside. The problem with this is it's too small. And I didn't read the fine print. But see, I mean, it's not like it's there, but like if I put it over, it's supposed to go over like this. And the handles are supposed to go through the top. It's gonna be too tight. Man, it's not gonna fit. I mean, it will fit, but it's way too tight. It's supposed to be a little bigger. Although that's not terrible. Now that I think about it, it's not terrible, but feels a little too tight, right? What do you guys think? Actually, now I'm looking at it, it's not terrible. Maybe I'll keep this. I was gonna return this too, maybe I'll keep this. But no, there's a bigger size, so I'm gonna try to get the bigger size. I'm gonna get the bigger size, that's what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna return this and get the bigger size. So that's that, and then I got a cologne, and then I'm going tomorrow to get another cologne because we're going to India in a little bit to see my grandma, so I'm gonna get cologne for my uncles and some perfumes for my aunts and stuff like that, and a few other small gifts for when we go to India, which is later this year, to see my grandma. I need to do some update videos. I know I'm gonna do an update on Paris, on everything that happened there. If there are any video you guys want and requests, let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna keep this short. Go check out my TikTok. Please follow me on my TikTok. Please go comment on videos on TikTok. Watch TikTok. Okay, but yeah, we're working our way to our Kelly. We're working our way to our Kelly in the US. The goal is to either get a bigger Kelly in the US or a mini Kelly if for some reason I'm lucky enough, or mini Kelly in France. Try again. And I've tried, and I have a few stories about that. But again, those I think I'm gonna limit now to a subscription service where I can give you all the juicy detail, and they are juicy. Like, I found out stuff we're not supposed to know, really not supposed to know. I spoke to a manager, I spoke to the director, like, okay, so that, and then I think that's it. Oh, I'm gonna do a real unboxing. I'm gonna post a couple more of the stuff that I got from last year, a few comparison videos and things that were sitting on my docket that I filmed last year, and then we'll hopefully be caught up, and then we'll be going as is. And I'm gonna try to post more in the shorts form and the TikTok form of like smaller things like this. Probably could have been a TikTok instead of being a long form video. So I might be, or a shorts. So, well, not a shorts, but a TikTok, because shorts are only a minute. So we're gonna try to move into that. So that's a little update on the channel. And yeah, I'm gonna do winners for the last giveaway, and then the next giveaway I'm going to solidify the rules, do another video and exactly explain it. Again, I think it's gonna be a membership thing or a subscription thing or some sort of like raffle, super likes raffle thing. So it's just like an even playing field for everyone, okay? And you like buy a super like or a super comment, like $1 is one raffle or $2 is one raffle or something like that. And the more tickets you get, the more chances you have of winning. Simple, fair, like a raffle, like a silent auction, okay? But maybe I'll do it live or something like that. Okay, we'll talk about that in another one. That's all I got. Okay, thank you guys so much. Okay, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share it with friends. Hate share it. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Okay, that's all I got, you guys. That's all I got. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.